Hi guys, and welcome back on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to change and customize the watch faces on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. So let's do it. So to change the watch face, it is very easy. Just push it long on the watch screen and now press on the plus sign, and from here you can choose the desired one. And when you are ready, just stop it and push it on the watch face. Wait a few seconds and now push it again, and this is your new watch face. Now let's go back to the original one, and I will show you how to customize this watch face. And to do it, just push it long on the screen and press customize. And now from here you can change the index. As you can see, now we have the cardinal points: north, east, west and south. And to eliminate it, just go down, and now we don't have it anymore. Now let's go to the right, and from here you can change the hands of your watch. Just go down, and this is the new hands. Now let's go right again, and from here you can change the color of your watch. Just go down to change it. Now let's do it again. We have a few colors here, and I will pick this green. And now let's go right again, and from here you can choose your desired complication. If you will push on the bicycle icon, from here you can choose your desired workout. I will choose, for example, hiking, and we have now a different icon. And if we push on the other complication, now it's battery, and you can choose, for example, none, or activity calories, or steps. Let's choose steps. Okay, now let's go to the right again, and we have another complication here. This is the weather temperature, and you can change it. You can choose, for example, alarm or timer, or sunrise, sunset, change of rain. And also we have here steps, sleeps, heart rate, blood oxygen, calendar, reminder, battery, or none. I will choose, for example, sunrise and sunset. And now the customization is over, and to end it, just press the back button, and now just push once on the screen, and this is my customized watch face. So as you can see, it's not so hard. I hope this tutorial to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.